Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from Your Rice Person. So you all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support, help, understanding, cooperations. Thanks a lot. Please keep it up. And today I have selected some beautiful exclusive pure silk collections only for you. So let me display. This one also very beautiful one, pure muslin silk with beautiful traditional Jamdani weaving design. 10JM1 is saree code, 4900 is saree price. Very exclusive one, beautiful one, golden zari white border, and this one is full base part, beautiful one, soft, lightweight, comfortable. This one is golden zari, fine golden zari border, and this one is base part, pure muslin silk with beautiful Jamdani buta, golden and silver zari hand weaving Jamdani buta, traditional Jamdani buta, very nice one. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, fine golden zari stripes with beautiful hand weaving traditional Jamdani design, pure muslin silk with beautiful hand weaving Jamdani design, golden and silver zari weaving buta. Very exclusive one, transparent, soft, lightweight, comfortable. And this one is full base part, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, beautiful golden zari border, transparent pure muslin with Jamdani buta, golden and silver zari weaving Jamdani buta, very exclusive one. And I will suggest this silk material, self weaving brocade work, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 5400 for your beautiful, exclusive, smart looks, very traditional also. This one also very nice one, soft silk with beautiful weaving, full base part is beautiful golden zari weaving work. 10JM2 is saree code, 3000 is a saree price, very nice one, fully Banarasi weaving work, same material. Today I have draped, different color, very exclusive one. This one is full base part, mustard yellow, bright mustard yellow with red contrast border, and full border portions, beautiful Banarasi weaving design, very nice one. This one is full base part, soft, lightweight, and full base part is beautiful golden zari weaving design, very nice one. This one is running blouse piece, this one is running blouse piece, red shade, and this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color with beautiful heavy weaving design, Banarasi weaving design, red contrast border with fine weaving design, and base is mustard yellow with red border, and red and full border portions, beautiful Banarasi weaving design, and full base part also heavy weaving design, very exclusive, bright, beautiful looks, beautiful party looks. And I will suggest this silk material with heavy weaving work, Banarasi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3500 for your bright, beautiful, exclusive party looks, best for your wedding functions also. Also very beautiful, elegant one, pure Bangalore silk with Gujarati work, very exclusive one. 10JM3 is saree code, 5500 is saree price, very beautiful one, fully Gujarati work, white base, very bright, beautiful looks. Let me open. This one also full base part, soft, lightweight, comfortable, and this one is border portions, beautiful Gujarati work, fully Gujarati work, border portions, and full base part is beautiful buta, very nice one, white base, black contrast work, very exclusive one. This one is full base part, beautiful Gujarati work. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part. Full base part is beautiful work, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also contrast color with heavy Gujarati work design, very bright, beautiful, exclusive looks, very smart one, white with black contrast work. And I will suggest this cotton fabric ikat pattern contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 5900 for your smart, bright, exclusive, trendy looks, fully beautiful Gujarati work, fully hand Gujarati work, and base is Bangalore silk and contrast black threaded work, very exclusive one. This one also, you know, very nice one, soft silk with beautiful weaving design. 10JM4 is sari code, 2300 is a sari price. Very nice one, bright color with beautiful weaving design. Let me open. Very beautiful one, bright blue shade. This one is, you know, full base part, soft silk, comfortable, summer friendly. This one is full base part, have shine also, very beautiful one. And this one is, you know, border portions, fine weaving, contrast color, threaded weaving design, border very exclusive one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, soft silk with beautiful weaving design border. Full base part is plain with beautiful fine weaving design, contrast weaving design border. Very nice one, soft, lightweight. And this one is, you know, pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, heavy weaving design. Pallu very beautiful, fine, smart weaving design pallu. Very nice one, soft silk, beautiful border, weaving border, and pallu also very beautiful one. Exclusive one. And I will suggest this synthetic material brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 2500 for your smart, bright, beautiful, elegant looks. This one also, you know, very nice one, soft silk with beautiful weaving design, Banarasi weaving design. 10JM5 is sari code, 3000 is sari price. Same material today I have draped. Very beautiful one, party looks, green shade, beautiful green shade with contrast border, pink contrast border, and full base part is, you know, beautiful work. Let me open. This one is, you know, full base part, green shade, and this one is one portion border, beautiful golden zari weaving fine design. And this one is full base part, beautiful weaving design, Banarasi weaving design. And this one is, you know, pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color with heavy weaving, this Banarasi weaving design pallu, and same contrast border with beautiful weaving design. Very nice one, soft, lightweight, comfortable. This one is, you know, full base part, very beautiful looks. This one is border, and this one is full base. Very nice one. Full base part is beautiful Banarasi work, contrast border, border also fine weaving design. Very bright, beautiful, exclusive party looks. And I will suggest this silk material with heavy Banarasi weaving self work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3700 for your exclusive, smart, bright, gorgeous looks. I have seen a very beautiful one, soft silk with fine weaving design, very beautiful, soft, comfortable, summer friendly. The saree code is 10JM6 is saree code, 2300 is a saree price. Very soft one, you know, soft, summer friendly. This one is beautiful navy blue base with fine weaving design border, and pallu very exclusive one. This one is, you know, full base part. This one is full base part, and this one is border, fine weaving design, contrast color weaving design border. And this one is soft silk, soft, comfortable, fine weaving design border. And this one is full base part. Full base part is plain with fine weaving border. And this one is, you know, pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color, fully threaded weaving design, contrast color weaving design pallu, fine weaving design, soft, lightweight, comfortable, very smart, trendy looks. Beautiful one, fine, fully fine weaving design. This one is full base part, and this one is beautiful border, and full base part is navy blue shade. Very comfortable one, soft, lightweight, smart, trendy, exclusive looks. And I will suggest this synthetic material, fully heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 2500 for your elegant, smart looks. This one also, you know, very exclusive one, Bangalore silk with Katha stitch design, hand Katha stitch design, very exclusive one. 10JM7 is saree code, 5500 is saree price. Very beautiful one, you know, black with work, very exclusive one, design also very nice one. Let me open. This one is, you know, full base part, beautiful one, black base, and this one is border portions, fine, fully hand stitch, hand Katha stitch design. very smart looks. This one is full base part, butta pattern, fully hand kantha stitch work, and this one is full base part, black with contrast color work, very nice one. This one is full base part, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one is beautiful work, fully hand work, Bangalore silk, and this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, fully hand kantha stitch design, very beautiful, smart, elegant look. And I will suggest this golden set bouquet work synthetic material contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 5700 for your beautiful, smart, elegant looks. Base is saree base is pure Bangalore silk with fully hand kantha stitch design. This one also very nice one, beautiful looks, and pure muslin silk with embroidery design. 10JM8 is saree code, 4900 is saree price, very beautiful exclusive one. Let me open, beautiful color combinations also. This one is full base part, is pure muslin silk with embroidery design. This one is beautiful one, this one is beautiful embroidery design, very colorful also, and base is pure muslin silk with beautiful embroidery design, pure muslin, transparent, fine muslin silk with beautiful embroidery design. This one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful, colorful embroidery design, fine embroidery design, very beautiful one. This one is full base part, this one is full base part, full base part is beautiful embroidery design. This one is border portion, fine embroidery design. This one is base part, beautiful floral butta embroidery. This one is running blouse piece, this one is full piece, soft, lightweight, comfortable, pure muslin silk with embroidery design, very nice one. And I will suggest this pure silk material with self weaving heavy work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 5500 for your exclusive, smart, beautiful, outstanding looks. This one also bright red shade, soft silk with fine weaving design. 10JM9 is saree code, 2300 is saree price, very exclusive one. Let me open. Base is soft silk with fine weaving design, and base is bright red one, very soft, comfortable silk. This one is full base part, is plain with beautiful contrast color, fine weaving design border, very nice one, soft, comfortable, summer friendly. This one is bright color, soft silk with beautiful weaving design, fine weaving design border. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, heavy design, fine weaving design pallu. This one is full pallu part, fine heavy weaving design, soft, lightweight, comfortable, soft silk with beautiful border and pallu weaving design, very exclusive one. And I will suggest this bouquet work synthetic material bouquet work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 2500 for your elegant, exclusive, bright looks. Very beautiful one, very elegant looks, white with golden zari border, very nice one. 10JM10 is saree code, 4900 is saree price, pure muslin silk with traditional jamdani weaving butta and pallu, and border is beautiful soft golden zari border. This one is full base part, pure muslin silk, pure white base, and this one is beautiful golden zari border, premium quality golden zari border. And this one is full base part, pure muslin with beautiful traditional jamdani weaving butta, golden and silver zari weaving butta, pure white base. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, pure white with golden and silver zari weaving, traditional jamdani weaving design, very nice one, beautiful looks. bright white base and the golden zari border, bright golden zari border. This one is full base part, pure white with golden and silver zari buta, and this one is border. Very exclusive one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, pure muslin. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part. Only 300 gram weight. Very exclusive one, pure muslin silk with jamdani buta. And I will suggest this brocade work, synthetic material brocade work, shiny contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 5100 for your exclusive, bright, trendy, smart looks. Very exclusive one. This one also, very bright, beautiful party looks and very exclusive traditional weaving work. 10JM11 is saree code 7500 is saree price. Very exclusive one, premium quality, pure handloom, hand spun matka with silver zari weaving jamdani buta. This one is beautiful one. And border portion is fine weaving design, fully hand weaving Banarasi work. Border fully silver zari, premium quality silver zari weaving design border. Very exclusive one. And this one is beautiful buta weaving design, peacock and floral pattern weaving buta, full base part, green shade, bright green shade. And this one is beautiful Banarasi weaving border. Very nice one, pure handloom, hand spun matka Banarasi. Very exclusive one. This one is full base part. Full base part is beautiful buta, and this one is contrast color running blouse piece with beautiful border. And this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, exclusive weaving design. This one is pallu part, silver zari weaving design pallu, contrast color, geometric pattern, exclusive weaving design pallu. Very nice one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, pure handloom, hand spun matka Banarasi. And I will suggest this silk material with heavy weaving Banarasi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 7900 for your bright, beautiful, outstanding party looks. Very beautiful one, bright pink shade. 10JM12 is saree code 2300 is saree price. Very beautiful one, contrast color, threaded weaving design, fine weaving design, pallu and border. Very exclusive one, soft, lightweight, comfortable. Let me open. This one is full base part. This one is full base part, soft, comfortable, summer friendly, soft silk with beautiful weaving design border. This one is beautiful, fine weaving design border. Full base part is plain with beautiful, fine weaving border. Very nice one, soft, lightweight, comfortable. This one is full base part, fine weaving border. And this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, with fully fine weaving design pallu. This one is pallu part, very exclusive one, fine weaving design pallu, contrast color, threaded weaving design pallu. Very nice one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, beautiful pink shade with contrast color, threaded weaving border and pallu. Very nice one, very smart, bright looks. And I will suggest this brocade work, synthetic material brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 2500 for your bright, beautiful, exclusive looks. Pallu is very fine weaving design border, weaving design work, heavy work, very nice one. This one is border, beautiful one, very exclusive looks. This one also very beautiful one, pure Bangalore silk with hand katha stitch work. 10JM13 is saree code 5600 is saree price. Very beautiful one, pure silk, pure Bangalore silk with beautiful weaving, beautiful hand katha stitch design. Very nice one. This one is full base part, and this one is border, very colorful, fully hand stitch katha stitch work. Very nice one, fully hand picked stitch. And this one is full base part, beautiful buta pattern, fully hand stitching buta base, buta work base. This one is fully full base part bright yellow shade. This one is beautiful border, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, heavy hand katha stitch work, very colorful, also beautiful fully hand work, very nice one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, beautiful hand katha stitch design, fully hand stitch, very exclusive one, bright looks, elegant trendy looks. And I will suggest this silk material with fine weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree, with this contrast blouse piece. This saree price will be 6,000 for your beautiful, elegant, exclusive looks. This one also very nice one, pure muslin silk with beautiful jamdani work, very nice one. 10JM14 is saree code, 4900 is saree price, very beautiful one, pure muslin silk with weaving design, contrast border, and full base part is jamdani buta, silver zari weaving jamdani buta, very exclusive one, beautiful color. And this one is border, contrast color, fully stripes pattern, weaving design stripes, very nice one. This one is beautiful border, fully weaving, and this one is full base part, pure muslin with beautiful buta work, full base part is beautiful jamdani, silver zari weaving jamdani buta. This one is running blouse piece, contrast color, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, pure muslin with beautiful silver zari weaving jamdani work, fully hand weaving jamdani work, very exclusive one, transparent with beautiful buta work, pure muslin silk with beautiful jamdani work, fully silver zari work, very exclusive, trendy, smart looks, outstanding. And I will suggest this silk material with heavy weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 5400 for your exclusive, beautiful, trendy, smart looks. And today I have draped a beautiful saree, bright one, as I already mentioned, soft silk with Banarasi weaving design, full base part is beautiful heavy work, and this one is contrast color border with beautiful fine Banarasi weaving design border, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color with fine Banarasi weaving design, heavy work, best for your party wear, soft, lightweight, comfortable. The saree price is 3,000. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Thank you so much.